Suzuki Swift has gotten a good refresh inside and out. Inside Suzuki's hot hatch is a larger 8-inch touchscreen display for the infotainment system, which now comes with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Suzuki has also added a reverse sensor in camera for easier and safer parking. The Swift also looks a lot sportier with a refreshed front bumper and grille with studded net patterns. The added features and the exterior makeover give truth to what Keiichi Suzuki, Vice President and General Manager for Automobile, said, "The Swift is one of our products designed to be an everyday companion and a sure standout on the road." Meanwhile, Suzuki dealerships are taking turns showcasing custom variants of the Suzuki Dzire and the Carry. In collaboration with partner Centro Manufacturing Corporation, Suzuki Philippines came out with the Carry ambulance, equipped and configured to become a great partner vehicle for hospitals and clinics. Then there's the Carry lineman, accessorized with gear, equipment and tools such as the cab connector, ladder rack, toolbox, mesh wire. The Carry lineman is a versatile vehicle for various businesses. Also to be showcased at dealerships is the Dzire GA Taxi that comes with CAN bus interface with wiring harness, taximeter, LED for hire sign, and top light. Suzuki wants to have these customized utility vehicles visible and accessible to more people through displays at dealerships.